going to Truro. Altogether it's going to be about 120k plus, and hopefully, well, let's find out. I was going to say hopefully not as lumpy as yesterday, but I think it's more the same, to be honest. Let's find out. So I'm just coming through a lovely, beautifully named place called Bottoms. Just about to hanker right and trying to avoid a 16% that I saw yesterday. I'm probably going to end up on a 25% instead. Yep, I wasn't wrong. Where are we at? I'm currently at the 16% mark. There was literally no warm-up time. Straight onto the hills. Whew. So I've just had my 20-minute warm-up. I'm along Rectory Road in St Buryan. And this is the point where I've joined up my route on Wahoo. Basically when I designed the routes, I wasn't quite sure where I was staying, B&B wise, so I just plotted everything from Land's End. As far as the route's concerned today, I'll probably drop off about 15k. So I've just had my nice warm up. I didn't avoid any hills, going an alternative route. So, but look, the weather's fantastic today, but it's actually colder than I thought it was going to be. Online on netweather.tv it said it was about 10-11 degrees today, but again it's nothing like that at the moment anyway. Wahoo says it's 2 degrees, which is a little bit close to the truth. So my hands are cold because I've got fingerless gloves on. That'll change shortly, I'm positive about that. But I'm glad I put a base layer on underneath this full length jersey, because I was actually contemplating just wearing this jersey. If there's one thing I've learned since yesterday, I'm not going to be spending much time in the big ring. So whilst I am in the big ring, I'm going to be making the most of it and putting my foot down. Some typical Cornish lanes again. High-sided bushes all the way along, or hedges rather. Here I am again at Mouse Hole, at the unvarnished fence. Just want to check out that view again, that's beautiful. So I'm just coming along the beautiful coastline of Penzance. Look at that sky. Wow. Bit of air frost on the grass here. A bit, there's quite a lot actually. And amazingly I saw a cyclist baring his legs in this weather. Jesus Christ. Did he forget to bring any bib tights with him or something? So this ride today is, well, I got it off one of the GPX websites. I think it's GPS cycle routes. Just downloaded it, put it straight into my Wahoo. So I'm hoping it takes me mostly on roads and tarmacked paths and nothing off-road. Apart from all this mud here, look at the state of this. Ugh. I've just stopped off at Hales. I don't know whether this is a wetlands or a dried up reservoir, I don't know. It's beautiful anyway. There's loads of people walking around. As you can see, the weather is absolutely astounding. So I've got 35k to go, it's about an hour and a half maybe to Truro before I turn around and come back again. Well, I'm still following the NCN number 3, also known as the Cornish Way. Well, I'm not entirely sure where I am, but it's time for lunch anyway, so I've gone for some olives and a cheese and red onion sandwich. So yeah, get going. There's about another 20k to go to Truro, so I don't say nearly there because there might be a million hills. So the Cornish Way is now turned into the mining trail. I didn't quite make it to Truro. I got as far as a bike park, and I just popped in there because I was curious about my brakes and the state that they're in. Gave me the address of a bike shop in Redruth, which I've already been through. So I'm going to go there now and see if they squeeze me in to replace some cables and pads. Get that done, I can have a nice easy ride back home. So let's see what happens. I'm here in a bike chain in Redruth with Alan. He's just checking my bike out, trying to get it roadworthy again because the brakes have been pretty hammered and, like I said earlier, unloved.
Definitely needs some TLC.
Yeah. It also needs a wash. So as like I was saying earlier, I didn't quite make it to Truro. I turned back round. I thought I'm going to get my bike roadworthy again. So don't matter so much. Back in Truro tomorrow. I'm going to be driving up here. As you can see, I'm back on the move again. Spent about 3/4 of an hour there. The rear caliper was kind of seized up, so it took me a while to get things all as they should. So now I've got really good brakes on. Makes all the difference. And the rest of the time was spent on sorting out the rear derailleur as well, because it was a bit out of sorts. Couldn't reach all my gears, so it's sorted out as well. This was our bike chain in Redruth. Really good customer service. As soon as I walked through the door, I didn't even get a chance to shut the door before I was offered a cup of coffee. So how good's that service, yeah? Best £20 I've ever spent. Well, I'm just coming back into Penzance. So that means there's about 10 miles left. That's just as well because it's getting very cold now. I've seen the gritters out. Well, feeling decidedly cold now. I've just popped to the chippy and decided to have some cheesy chips to warm me up a little bit.
Have you changed in the 15 years you've been coming? I remember that well being